Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again. Trying to reach 4,000 subscribers. Hopefully you subscribe. Please do support the channel. I'm very inspired to putting out nitpick videos such as this one. I put out a nitpick video with regards to again the one that we cannot put Bella on Bella or Iona on Iona together. It might be a big problem in the future, but they should fix it before it hasn't come into like the second month of the game. So they have lots of things to fix, I feel. And also, please, devs, don't be like Nikkei. I wish that again you're copying Nikkei one to one, but please don't copy them with regards to the skins. Hopefully, you don't release a $60 skin for a different ult of the character. Because again, a $60 skin changes on ult of the character, because quote unquote premium. I haven't seen a $60 skin in freaking gacha. I think only Nikkei is doing that shit. Okay? So hopefully you don't go that way. But again, in Girls Frontline 2, I played Girls Frontline 2. If you buy a $20 skin or a $15 skin, your ult animation will be different. Okay? Ult animation is different. That's like Nikkei is doing haphazardly. We're in $20 skin. You're just the skin is just changed. You don't do your ult animation. Please don't do that. Please don't be lazy. I feel like you already have a good production in your hands. It looks really nice. Feels like I'm home because I played Nikkei as well. Still currently playing Nikkei. But again, you could have done better by not copying them and improving upon that. Just like Wu was doing with Genshin. That's what I feel. Okay? So, like, get some stuff and improve that stuff to show them, like, look, we've copied them, yeah, I know, but like we're different in a way because of this and that and this and that. Because again, I'm not a paying player. I'm not gonna be paying for this, but like I've seen YouTube videos of Starry-Eyed Iona in action, and the animations is the same animations as the old animations, the same old animation that she has. So it's not that great. So the like I know I like the crack and all, but like bro, like I know I like the crack and all, but like man, she looks nice as well if you put her in the game, because like what you see here is she's not chibi. The good thing about this game is not chibi. You can see her again, you see her assets there as well once you're playing. But her ult is bro, like bro, her ult is the same. Like they need to again, they need to validate the $17. If you're putting up, yeah, it's a nice skin and all, but don't be Nikkei. Make this one an animation that we deserve, because you're paying for that $20. If there's only a skin, it should be only $10. Like just Girls Frontline 2. Girls Frontline 2 and any other gachas like in Lost Sword. If the animation is not changing, they sell it for like $7, $8. This is like technically, if we don't get anything from this, this is what I'm saying in the past. If we don't get anything from this, it's not worth it. Like Snowbreak selling a $30 skin, but there's also on top of that interactable scenes, which is really badass, man. That's why I can't stop playing that game up until now, because I think that's the sweet spot of them having to like how to monetize their skins. That's why people are buying the skins despite them being still free to play friendly. So again, that's just also my nitpick with this. Hopefully they change this. I'm not quite sure if they're gonna be ever changing it, because if people are buying it, why are we changing it anyways? So maybe I'm just like a minority here. I'm a free to play player. I know I don't have a say in this, but like this is just for me to say I think you're getting had for people who want to spend, and to people who want to support the game. They want to support your game, that they want to spend their hard-earned cash, but they want their hard-earned cash to be worth it once they spend. And I feel like in any other gacha formula in the past, I played any other gachas, a $20 skin is good in a way, but you need to give us some animations on top of that so that it warrants us to be happy enough to spend that $17 from their pockets. Okay, so even in Snowbreak, I'm free to play there, but I got the $30 skin because man, that Nurse Enya skin with the interactables is so damn crazy. Like I spend it. Okay, I feel like it's worth it. Okay, but like you know that fact, you're trying to sell a product. You need to let that person feel that once you're spending that money, you feel that the product is worth it. But again, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Maybe sometimes like, yeah, I'm good with $17. The skins is good. Like I'm happy with it. But like, are you really really happy with it? Comment down below. What do you think about it for the whales, for Dolphin community there who wants to spend the skins that has the same animations, or I'm calling out the devs, please don't be like Nikkei. Please don't be lazy. Make an animation worth that money that the players are spending. And hopefully you like this video. Like and subscribe again. This is 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.